Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the Cantonese style sweet and sour pork ribs cooked by air fryer. Let's look at the ingredients. You may find a complete list of instructions and ingredients in description. This is the tapioca starch that I'm going to use in the recipe. Mix baking soda with water first. Wash and cut ribs into 1.5 inch long. Then soak the ribs in soda water for 1 hour. Let's prepare marinades now. Mix soy sauce, rose wine, egg, ginger juice, 5 spice powder, sugar and salt together. After 1 hour, wash and rinse the pork ribs well, drain and wipe it dry. Mix the ribs with marinades. Then add cornstarch, mix well. Add oil, mix well. Marinate for 1 hour. After an hour, place the ribs on a tray. Scoop 2/3 of the tapioca starch onto the ribs and mix well. Let the ribs stand for 10 minutes. Preheat Airfryer to 350 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Sprinkle the leftover 1/3 tapioca starch onto the ribs and mix. Place ribs onto the tray of air fryer. Spray oil. Air fry at 325 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. Then 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Open air fryer, flip the ribs over, then air fry at 400 Fahrenheit for another 5 minutes. The ribs are cooked now. Cut it up to check if it's done. Rinse the inside of pineapple shell with hot water. Wipe dry. Let's prepare the sauce now. I'm using red vinegar here. Pineapple pieces must be drained to the driest. Heat pan. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Saute the onions. Add shallots. Continue to saute. Add about 100 grams of water, then saute. Add the ingredients of the sauce and continue to saute. Remember to press the sour plum to crush it. Add the rest of water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes at medium heat. When the sauce becomes a bit thick, add red pepper and saute. Add the ribs and saute so the sauce is evenly coated on the ribs. Add pineapples now and saute for a few seconds. Water may come out if you saute the pineapples for too long. The yummy sweet and sour pork ribs is ready. Enjoy!